Good morning. Today nice morning. See the birds. Wow. It is wonderful morning. But I feel so sad. Why? Because the parrots are not staying here. Nowadays, they shifted to that tree. That's why. Because they are not think that the environment of this tree is correct for them now. So they shifted to there. Okay. Anywhere maybe they are staying happily now. Wow. See the crows. What a decoration. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. See the difference between crow and parrot. Parrot wants the tree. Again, that will be suitable for them. But the crow will stay in this tree and like that because the crow can adjust anywhere, but the parrot sometimes, I think so. Whatever may be, what about our lively God? Not at all. When the sun will rise? Oh, what a nice morning. Not very cloudy, not rainy, not sunny. Everything is balanced. Like that only we will keep our mind also. Wow, see, wow. Wherever they fly, togetherly fly. Why not us? We will try. Unity is strength. Am I correct or not? How we got our independence? How can we fight with Britishers? Like that only, na? See their happy moments. When we will be like bird, how many days will we will happy? Wherever maybe we move. But the God given as a human life means we can prove that we can do something. Wow. How nice the morning. You know, the human takes in a 1 minute 12 to 14 breaths. We may. Wow. See? How they are designing, see? See? The design is changing. Okay, come to the breath. From the Himalayan says all will be They can control their breath for 1 hour. Means they take one breath in 1 hour. How is possible? They are not enjoying the life. They are testing the nature. What they are discovering. If it is possible, we also. Okay, let it be. Let's come to our plants. Oh, greenery. Whatever may be, the light setting is not there at all up to the mark. Why? Because the sun god not came. Wow. Here, not healing anything. But here, see. Okay, the AC is going started. That's why my plants also enjoying the AC. But inside, that is cool. Here, hot. They are testing their resistance power. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. But it may be flower. But what about this bird? See my dragon bird. Wow. But it takes, I think so, 15 days to 1 month to make a fruit. Flower also take 15 days because 10 days back I saw the dragon. But this will be not that much time taken. It may be bloomed. But with this stage too, this stage, like this stage come. Like that only, if we take our breath, according to the breath, we will spend our lifespan. Have you got my point? How the flowers, fruits, like this, everything we got, like that only. Wow, what a colorful, see, abbo, how beautiful. But the insect is eating my bed. Ayyo, the painful moment for him. The happiest moment for this insect. Oh, go away from here. You are collecting your food. What can I do? Both are friends to me. Oh God, you only decide what can we do. My feelings. Everything is my feelings. If I said, wow, mulberry. Wow, see, colorful mulberry. Is it colorful or not? See, ayyo. But the size is short little bit. See. When we grow up the plants, when we will get the fruits, the happiness will be something different now. Okay, Tulasi. Okay. Bye. Have a blessed day. I am talking with my plants. When you will come, my lovely God, come. Everybody will wake up now. When they will wake up, if you will come, then they only wake up. Namo. Surya Narayana. If I talk anything wrong, or ayyo, the plastic. If I still you are here only, yeah. Huh? You are hurting my bed, ra. Leave, ra. Go, ra. You don't have any fear, ra. What a nice dance. Sun God will come. Not at all. Okay, whatever. Then the time will come, everything will be happen. Sun rising also, the time is there for today. Let it be. Have a blessed Monday to all.